Okay, so we went out deer hunting this morning. We were a little late to the blind, but you know what? It was all right. So, Paul, tell us a story.
Yeah, we're sitting in the box blind and we're watching. And we got out a little late this morning, unfortunately, because the time change today messed us up a little bit. But we got out just before shooting time, got set up, and there wasn't anything near us. But out here there was a group of does, and this is about 300 yards-ish, just before 300 yards, maybe anywhere from 260 to 300.
Things way down there.
And yeah, so we're watching, the does are milling around out here. There's a group here, a group there, a group there. Then some started to trail off, and we were probably sitting in the blind for about 20 minutes. And out of the trail down here, 2 deer come out. They look a little bit aggressive, kind of pushing off the does. So we decided to take a look and see what we see. And next thing you know, I get the scope on them, and there's a nice little 8-pointer-ish deer out front. Then this guy, and I didn't know how good he was.
All right, hold on, guys. I don't know if you're ready for this.
Look at this guy. With a nice drop tine. He's still got some
Hold on, I'm coming in here.
stuff on here. Look at this. I think that's his old velvet coming off.
Oh, wow, he's still got velvet.
Yeah, he's hard horned. What do we got here? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 points on him with the drop tine.
Look at all that junk.
Like, what a buck. I know some people are going to be happy and some people might not be. We'll see.
A lot of people were going after this deer. We never thought in a lifetime we'd see him because...
Yeah, look at that.
Good job, babe. Shot.
Yeah, the bullet came out because he was quartering away from me. Let's see where the bullet went in.
Oh, exactly where you were aiming, wasn't it?
Yeah, I was aiming right here, and I'm just about 4 inches left to where I was aiming.
Perfect.
But not bad for 300 yards.
That's with the 270 Savage.
Yep.
Great.
I got to get a picture of this to Joe.
Good job.
And to Jim.
Good job. So that's Paul's New Brunswick buck, 2025. Done. Nicest buck I think you've ever gotten, but you know what? You deserve this buck.
What a buck.
Oh, also the day after his birthday, so good job, babe. All right, well, we got work to do, and you got pictures to take and send. Awesome. Congratulations.
Unbelievable.
Good job.
Thanks.